All right, what's up, guys? Gonna do another video today on the truck. Gonna go ahead and coat the frame in some advanced Raptor liner. This is like about $20 a can, maybe a little cheaper than that. I live pretty much in a Rust Belt area to where they spray the roads, they salt the roads, pretty much do everything to the roads. I don't drive this truck that much in the winter, but the other day I really haven't done anything to the frame since I bought it. So I just wanted to see how it was gonna look. But anyway, they have bed liner and they have undercoating, so I'm hoping that this is not rubberized because I always think that looks like shit, but if it is, we'll see. So I'm going to show you guys what the frame looks like and then show you guys if this is worth 20 bucks or not. It's going to be a short video, just a couple minutes, just straight to So here's this side. It's not really flaking per se, but obviously this truck's older. It's a 2015. It is paid for. So I'm just trying to keep it as nice as possible for as long as I can. And some preventative maintenance like this hopefully is going to do that. So I'm just going to show you guys this back section. If it turns out really good, probably going to do a lot more of the frame, but there's some areas, I guess, they're a little scaly in a way that I probably should take some sandpaper over before. But this area isn't that bad. So I'm probably just going to wipe this down with a rag real quick, and that's probably about it. And then I am going to go ahead and just spray it right over it. I would recommend taping it. I'm not going to do that, but I probably would recommend so you don't get on anything. And I did park away from my house so that I didn't get overspray on any other vehicles. All right, so this is, I guess, technically 2 coats over this. I did not get down here because got a little bit on the exhaust. I'm not too worried about that, but anyway, I'm curious to see if it dries because you can kind of see it has like high spots and then a low spot, high spot and low spot. So if it dries and it looks fine, then not too bad. I probably should have prepped this area a little bit more. You can kind of see like it's chipping a little bit. I don't want to touch that. Probably should have chipped some of that off. This is just literally something you could do in your backyard for like just a couple seconds to see if it's actually going to make a difference or not. And that's all I really cared for. I just wanted to see if it was going to lay flat, not have high and low spots to look like this spot's darker. So I'm going to come back. If this is like dried flat and it levels itself out without having to do anything, then this is definitely worth $20. Just to keep up on like some preventative maintenance. Obviously it's not going to be like if you were paying a professional shop to do it, but pretty good for just going to the parts store. And while I'm here, I figured let's just touch up a couple more spots because why not? So another before just to see what it's gonna do. Probably gonna stop here. I don't think I have enough to do both sides, so we'll see how it looks. All right, so again, 1 coat over all of this. Let's go see if that back section dried flat. It actually did. It doesn't have any highs and low spots. Yeah, guys, short video. Probably just gonna be a couple minutes long. I'm sure that if you buy full kits, I'm sure they're better out there. But as far as something you can get at the parts store, do within a couple minutes of just some basic prep, I would say the Raptor liner, depending on if it holds up, I should say. If it holds up really well, this stuff is definitely worth 20 bucks. Just some preventative maintenance, keep your vehicle nice, especially if you lived in a rust area. So like it, comment, subscribe. Till next time, guys.